Meaning of hundreds and thousands.
Hundreds and thousands.
Hundreds and thousands.
Hundreds and thousands.
Hundreds and thousands. Hundreds and thousands is a term commonly used in British English and Australian English to refer to the colourful sprinkles that are often used as a decorative topping on cakes, cupcakes, and other baked goods. These sprinkles come in small cylindrical shapes and are usually made of sugar. They can be found in a range of colors and are often used to add a festive touch to desserts. The name hundreds and thousands comes from the fact that there are so many tiny sprinkles in a single package that they appear to be in the hundreds of thousands.